What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Super excited that you're here. And I just woke up and I woke up to another $300 commission. I'm going to show you proof right here. This is a $300 notification. And as you can see right here, this happened 3 hours ago. That was at 6:25 a.m. while I was still sleeping. And so I'm just super excited. Another commission came through yesterday. You can see right here, that's a $300 commission. And this happened yesterday during lunchtime. So while I was having lunch, I received this $300 notification. That is $600 within 24 hours by simply having an affiliate marketing business opportunity where I have set strategies in place where my business is working for me 24/7. So it doesn't matter where you're at. It doesn't matter if you have a full-time job. If you can set aside 2 to 3 hours per day, 3 days out of the week, you can start this affiliate marketing opportunity, right? Just to create extra income from anywhere in the world, as long as you have Wi-Fi connection, a smartphone, and just a desire to learn a new way of making money from home, right? From anywhere in the world. It's a global opportunity. And so, really cool thing about this opportunity is that there are no monthly fees. Okay. Awesome thing is that there are only two different levels, which I'm going to show you right now. When you go to the website below, go to infinityprocessingsystem.info, enter your email address, and then it's going to take you to this page right here. Make sure you watch the video. And this is just a little story about me. And this is how it works. Step number one is just getting started. And how you do that is by visiting the website. And you're going to see there are 3 different digital products, okay? Coming in at the $50 level, okay, you will position yourself to earn only $50 commissions, okay? Coming in at the Elite level, which is a one-time payment of $150 plus the admin fee, okay? At this level, you'll position yourself to earn the $50 commissions and the $150 commissions. Now, if you join at the 150 level and somebody wants to click on your website and they want to get the 6-figure blueprint, which is what I highly recommend, that $300 commission the entire commission goes up to the qualifying sponsor. So you're going to miss out on that commission. That's why, if you can, I highly suggest that you come in at the higher level. That way you don't miss out on any commissions and you position yourself to earn the $300 commissions, $150 commissions, and the $50 commission. Now, what does the digital product consist of? If you go to the website, you'll be able to see every single digital training video you will be receiving according to the level that you join. As you can see, at the $300 level, you get the $50 level training, the $150 level training, and the 6-figure blueprint training. So every single piece of training content that you're gonna find here is exactly how the strategies that I did, that the steps that I took to make my first 6 figures online using the model of affiliate marketing. So get started with the team today. I only want to work with you if you're serious about changing your life and really learning this new skill set. Okay, so once you get started, you're going to be added to our coaching group. We have live coaching sessions at no additional cost where you're going to be trained you're going to be able to see live coaching sessions with 6-figure earners, with people that, have $1,000 days, and they show you exactly what is working for them. So there's a lot of awesome content. You will be added to our 2 support groups, and you can see right here, these are just team members having results, right? Team members welcoming new people that are getting started with the community. And you can see right here, Simon Peters, this was 13 hours ago. Another $150 commission came through for him. James, that's another $200 commission came through. And you can see all these different team members coming in. Big shout out to Kenny. As you can see, 350 in 24 hours. And I can go on and on. This is from Ernest West. He made another $150 commission. Martha here, she made another $50 commission. And these are all just testimonials. Jenna, she had a $750 day. James here, another $300 commission, came at 2:47 a.m. All these are awesome commissions that are coming through, right, on a consistent basis. And so that's what I'm super excited about. Lloyd here, as you can see, he made another $50 commission. Carlos, you can see right here, a $300 commission came through. That's another testimonial, another $50 commission came through for him. And again, I can just go on and show you all these different testimonials. If you want to be added to this proof group, this community group, simply send me a message and I'll go ahead and add you to that group. And right here, as you can see, another $600 commission came through. So this is just awesome. Everything that's happening here with the team. Super excited about that. So get started with the team today. Go to infinityprocessingsystem.info, get the full details, get started, and I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.